Namaskar. India Meteorological Department brings you daily weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. As the IMD has been predicting since last 4-5 days, heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places has been observed over Gujarat region, southern parts of Gujarat region and northern parts of Konkan and also over northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra. So we can see that over Surat, Daman, Valsad, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Dangs districts of Gujarat region. Heavy to very heavy rainfall with maximum rainfall over Umarpada of Surat district 15 centimeter has been observed, and rest all stations have observed heavy rainfall. And over Sindhu Durg district station Malvan has reported 15 centimeter rainfall of North Konkan, and over Palghar 11 centimeter, and over South Konkan 10 centimeter rainfall has been observed, and Goa also, Panjim has also reported 10 centimeter rainfall. Over Mumbai 9 centimeter rainfall for Santa Cruz and Kolaba has been observed. If you look into Madhya Maharashtra, then Satara district has reported 13 centimeter rainfall at the station Khandala. Ahmednagar has reported 9 centimeter, Kolhapur 7 centimeter at the stations Panhala, Karveer and at Kangali. Kerala also just one station, 7 centimeter rainfall has been reported. Now, if we see into the synoptic systems, then the deep westerly trough is today also there, which is running roughly along 66-degree longitude to the north of 12-degree north latitude, and there is a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood also, and also there is a cyclonic circulation over Northeast Arabian Sea adjoining South Gujarat, North Konkan coast, and there is a trough extending from Southeast Arabian Sea to this cyclonic circulation, and this trough is extending up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. So under the influence of this interaction between this trough and this mid-latitude westerly trough, under the influence of which this rainfall over Gujarat and Konkan, North Konkan and North Madhya Maharashtra has occurred. Uh, for next 24 hours, there is again a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over South Gujarat region, districts Panchmahal, Dahod, Chota Udaipur and Narmada. And over Goa also there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over south as well as north Goa. If you come over to, and after that this system would weaken, and there is the dry weather would prevail over these regions, or just isolated places only a light rainfall may occur over Gujarat and Maharashtra. So this weather for Gujarat and Maharashtra is only for next 24 hours. If we come into the this system, well marked low pressure area, which was yesterday, there was a low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea which moved west northwestwards, and this low pressure area today became a well marked low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea. It became a well marked low pressure area, and at 8:30 hours IST of today, it now lies as a well marked low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal. And this low pressure area is very likely to concentrate into a depression during next 12 hours, and subsequently 24 hours it is likely to intensify into a cyclonic storm over the central parts of the Bay of Bengal. And this cyclonic storm is likely to reach west central Bay of Bengal of North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coasts around 4th December morning, and thereafter it is likely to move northeastwards. So under the influence of this likely concentration of this well marked low pressure area into a depression and then its subsequent intensification into a cyclonic storm, there is heavy to very heavy rainfall warning over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha for 3rd of December, that is tomorrow, and there is extremely heavy rainfall warning for Odisha, and heavy to very heavy rainfall warning for north coastal Andhra Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall warning for Gangetic West Bengal. So that we will see in the now in the district warning maps. Meanwhile, also there is a possibility of uh, influence of a western disturbance from the night of 4th of December, and under the influence of this western disturbance, these western Himalayan region, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand are likely to receive scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with during 4th to 6th of December, with maximum intensity on 5th, when fairly widespread to widespread rainfall and snowfall would be observed over these subdivisions of western Himalayan region. And also isolated light rain may occur over adjoining parts of Punjab and Haryana, and also the adjoining parts of West UP on 5th of December. From 6th of December, this activity would decrease substantially. Now, if you come over to the related warning regarding this depression and then its subsequent intensification into a cyclonic storm over these districts of South Odisha, the districts Kendrapala, Jagatsinghpur, Puri, Ganjam, Gajapati, Raigada, and Koraput, there is possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over Gajapati and Ganjam, and isolated heavy rainfall over rest of the districts. Since it is tomorrow, it is the beginning of the this rainfall, so there is only a yellow color given, and keeping in view the impact of this rainfall on day 3, that is on 4th of December, this color warning color has been upgraded to orange and red. On 4th of December, there is possibility of extremely heavy rainfall, that is greater than 20 centimeter rainfall over Gajapati, Ganjam, Puri, and Jagatsinghpur, and over Kendrapada, Katak, Khurda, Nayagad, uh, Kandhamal, Raigada, and Koraput. There is possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is between 11 to 20 centimeter rainfall. And over these 3-4 districts, Balasore, Bhadrak, and Jajpur, and over Malkangiri, there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall. And as we have seen that after becoming a cyclonic storm, this system is likely to move north northeastwards. So this on 5th of December, there will be possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over North Odisha districts, namely Mayurbhanj, Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur, Cuttack, and Puri, and the isolated heavy rainfall over these districts shown in yellow color. If you look into North Coastal Andhra Pradesh, and there also there is a isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall probability on 3rd and 4th of December over the districts of Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, and Visakhapatnam, and over East Godavari district, possibility of isolated heavy rainfall. Over Gangetic West Bengal, there is possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall probability on 4th of December over East Medinipur, and isolated heavy rainfall probability is there for North and South 24 Parganas, Havada district, and West Medinipur and Jhargram. And on 5th of December, there is a probability of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over Jhargram, East and West Medinipur, and Havada, and North and South 24 Parganas. And over rest of the districts of the Gangetic West Bengal, from Purulia, Bankura, East Bardhaman, West Bardhaman, Nadia, up to Malda, there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall on 5th of December. So this was about rainfall warning for Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, North coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Gangetic West Bengal. So due to this extremely heavy and very heavy rainfall probability, due to this probable cyclonic storm over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Gangetic West Bengal, there is a possibility of damage to horticulture and standing crops, and possibility of damage to vulnerable structure, minor damage to kacha roads, and occasional reduction in visibility due to heavy rainfall. We suggest you to log on to our respective state meteorological center website, and please take the action suggested in the respective MC website regarding this cyclone arrival. If you look into sea area warning, then due to there is a 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph strong wind warning for northeast adjoining uh, east central Arabian Sea along and of Maharashtra and Gujarat coast for next 24 hours. After that, there is no wind warning for Arabian Sea. And if you look into Bay of Bengal, then regarding this upcoming depression, there is a possibility of currently there is a wind of 45 to 55 gusting to 65 over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal, and it is likely to increase to 50 to 60 kmph gusting to 70 kmph over southeast and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal. On tomorrow, this wind is likely to increase further, and it will become gale winds 65 to 75 gusting to 85 kmph over central parts of Bay of Bengal from the morning of tomorrow, and then it would further increase, becoming 90 to 100 kmph gale winds gusting to 110 kmph over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal from the morning of 4th December, and it would continue for subsequent 24 hours. And meanwhile, for North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast, there is a possibility of commencement of 45 to 55 kmph gusting to 60 kmph 65 kmph strong winds from the midnight of 3rd of December, that is from tomorrow midnight, and then it would become 70 to 80 kmph gusting to 90 kmph from 4th December morning. And as the system would move northeastwards, then along and off West Bengal coast also there would be probability of 60 to 70 kmph gale winds gusting to 80 kmph from the evening of 4th December, and that would continue for subsequent 12 hours. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.